So what are we looking at? We're looking at basically a replicator. This here can be a square or the exact angle that you need to replicate. In this case, we have a rail and we need to replicate this angle onto this board. That can be achieved with this. So essentially you're just going to adjust it to this existing angle, and now you're going to transfer that angle onto the other board. I'm not sure how old this is. I have a newer version of this, but I actually like this version. In particular, this twisty knob here, which locks this into position, doesn't get in the way. In other words, this knob here is not wider than this. I actually have a newer unit that this, for whatever reason, this lockdown knob is wider than this. Therefore, it gets in the way. So you want to buy an adjustable square that won't get in the way. So again, this tip here is to transfer this angle, this pre-cut angle, this is actually for a ladder shelf, onto this board here. Thanks for watching SC Custom Designs.